Did you know that in Virginia, it's illegal to sneeze in public without covering your mouth? That's right. This wild law dates back to an era when people were a bit more worried about hygiene. But today, it raises eyebrows and chuckles. Imagine standing in court explaining to a judge that a sneeze led to your fine, with animated gasps all around. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, think twice about who might be watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more unbelievable laws that will leave you laughing.